Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today is another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays where we mix a low ingredient cocktail in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to mix up the Rusty Nail. It's basically a Scotch old fashioned. I'm going to start out by pouring 2 ounces of your preferred blended Scotch. Today I am using Monkey Shoulder. We're going to mix this right in the glass. I've got a nice hand-cut ice cube sitting in my Single Rocks glass. The only other ingredient in the Rusty Nail is a ½ ounce of Drambuie. Drambuie is basically an aged Scotch liqueur with honey, spices, and holy crap, that stuff is really good. So once you got the ingredients in the glass, all you're going to do, stir it just a touch to incorporate everything together. That's it. I don't usually garnish this cocktail. I drink it just like that. The Rusty Nail. Man, I love that. I love it. This Drambuie is amazing and it mixes extremely well with the blended Scotch. Thanks for watching today. Certainly appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out. Leave a comment below. Please drink responsibly. See ya.